On this day, Americans reaffirm the values and that have sustained our nation for more than 2 centuries. And we honor the values that we think are not just ours, we honor the values that we think are universal. And I know no country that is more open to universal values, more open to other people, more warm and more accepting of other cultures than Pakistan. This is something we share, and that's something that we should remind ourselves of. We believe in the United States, in our Declaration of Independence, that all men and women are created equal. We believe in inalienable rights of all men and women for life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, and that governments are just when they have the consent of the governed. And we think those are values that we share with our friends here in Pakistan. Even in recent months, when we've had very difficult times, and because we are close friends, we can't hide these difficulties from one another. We face them. We need to reflect that we do share these values, that we do share this aspiration to be in a world where people who are not like us have the same rights as us and the same privileges.